Hey y'all! Today I'm diving into one of the hottest debates in the fitness world, cardio or weights for weight loss. Which is truly the king of the gym? Let's cut through the noise with these 5 shocking facts. Buckle up, because some of these might just flip your workout routine upside down. First up, let's talk about calories. It's no secret that cardio, like running or cycling, can burn a ton of calories in a short amount of time. But did y'all know that weight training also has a secret weapon? It's called the afterburn effect. That means even after you've stopped lifting, your body is still burning calories. Now, on to fact number 2, muscle mass. Weights are phenomenal for building muscle. And here's the kicker. More muscle means a higher metabolism. That's right, the more muscle you have, the more calories you burn, even when you're just lounging on the couch. Thirdly, let's talk about bone health. While cardio is great for your heart and lungs, weight training is the champion for your bones. It helps increase bone density, which is super important, especially for us ladies as we get older. Moving on to fact number 4, the risk of injury. Now, no exercise is without risk, but high-impact cardio can be tough on your joints. Weight training, when done correctly, can actually help strengthen the muscles around your joints, potentially reducing your risk of injury. And lastly, variety. I can't stress this enough, y'all. Mixing it up is key. Combining both cardio and weights in your fitness routine not only keeps things interesting, but also ensures you're reaping all the benefits, keeping your body guessing and improving all around. There you have it, folks. The real scoop on cardio versus weights for weight loss. Remember, the best workout is the one that you enjoy and can stick with consistently. So find what makes you feel good and go for it. And hey, before you go, please like, share, and subscribe with us. Click the link below to get started and learn more about tailoring the perfect workout regimen just for you. Let's get fit together.